Welcome back. Now, ChatGPT can be used as a search engine. You will obviously want to turn on search for the web. You can click it on here. You can also go to your tools area and you can click on the search. Either way, search will then be enabled. And what you will then do is you will then look for your specific search. And once you have in your query, you can then click enter. And ChatGPT will then search for the web. Now, the results are going to look different than those you might see in a specific search engine. And so it may be a good idea to test these results versus any search results that you get if you're using a search engine like Microsoft Bing or the Google search engine. The resources are clickable from a specific link. The links are also available on the right side panel by clicking on sources. You will then have access to the specific links as well as the citations. In some cases, you will actually have a date when those sources were created and when they were published so you can determine which one will be the most up to date. The benefit of using search in this way is that you can follow up in a plain language query just as you would any other chatbot query. So for example, we can look within our results and we can type back to ChatGPT and we can query these results. And once you type in your query, you can search through the results and you can break down the results with plain language query as you would any other chatbot search. So again, one of the benefits of searching with ChatGPT is that you will get the benefits of using a chatbot while at the same time you will also get the benefits of using a search engine. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.